So, good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. So, network exchange here. So we're about to go about the CRT MSNR video you guys requested. So, but before that, okay, let me just get simple to it. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys something. I'm on the trade. I think yeah, I'm on this trade right here. This US 30, maybe US 500, S&P 100. I'm on this trade right here. I'm on this trade, yes. And this is my stop. This is my TP, I think so. I might not hold it full TP because of the way marketing making right now, but currently I'm on this trade. That by the way. So sorry for that. CRT MSNR. Let's see. Let me look for a good CRT. I think there was one on USD. I think it was 2 weeks ago or something. It was USD. Now, guys, bear in mind, I will not break down everything I do. I will not give you guys everything I do. Like how I say it now, I won't tell you guys all the steps I do take because that's for those that pay for the mentorship. But this one is just a few videos. I will just let you guys know your secret. Now, this is your CRT here. This is CRT. Yeah, this is your CRT. A very nice CRT. Now, first thing first, whenever you get a CRT, let's say this is the CRT level on the daily time frame. This is the CRT level on the daily time frame. CRT level on the daily time frame. Now, first thing you have to do is go down to your 4 hours. When you go to your 4 hours, you should be seeing something like this. What you should be expecting to see either this change of character. Yeah, change of character to confirm, like if it's a bearish CRT like this one here now, you should be looking for this. This is called type 1. This is type 1 confirmation. This is type 1 confirmation. Type 1. Or we look for your type 2. Something like this. As a blick of shots to the downside. This is your type 2. This is your type 2 here. This is your type 2. Let's see. This is your type 2. Okay, this is your type 2, guys. So type 1. This is your type 1 and type 2. So whenever you get something like this, you should be looking for either this or this. If you don't see any of these two, leave that here. It's not a must you trade everything. If you don't see these two structures, either this in your character or this, just leave the CRT completely. Example now, if you're on the 4 hour time frame, okay, let's say you miss an entry on 4 hour time frame and it gives you, okay, I think what happened on USJPY, let me see, I'm not sure. I think what happened on USJPY, though I'm not sure he held that much. I'm not sure he held more. Okay, let me see. Break. Now, because of how shady this week will be, I might not be taking this trade because I've not really looked at HPY. But let's say you missed an entry somewhere. Let's see. Let me see. Okay, let me say this is your initial entry here. Then it tapped, but you're not looking at this market. You missed it. Let's say something like this. You missed it. Sorry, I'm divesting a little bit, but I just need you guys to know. You guys to know about this. Let's say this is your initial entry, but you missed it. You missed it already. The very tapped, and you don't want to rush into the trade. Then you wait for it. If it forms a CRT like this, same pattern. What you need to look for? Go down to your 1 hour time frame. Look for either that type A, type 1, or type 2. Do you get? Now, what was the type 1? A change of character. Can you see it? Higher, 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 low, higher, 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 low. For us, at 3 down, let me say now, this is our higher high. You can see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then it breaks. This is the change of character right here. It's here, the change of character. So now, basically, your character here. So you can choose to enter from here. This is a QMR, but your SL will be big. Or go to 15-minute time frame. Though me personally, I'm not trading this CJ because I analyzed it, but I wasn't getting what I was looking for. But if on a normal basis, yeah, I should be taking this trade from here. This trade from here. Worst come to worst, this should be my stop loss. My stop loss. About 11 pips should be my stop loss. I can make sure I cover the whole favor lookup or adjustment, whatever I still call it. This is my stop loss. But the way the HJPY is moving these past few weeks, I'm not looking at it. So that was just by the way. Now back to our initial, our main focus here. So our main focus here, like I was saying, type 1, type 2. Now we have our CRT here. Let's check if the forwards give us a type 1 or a type 2 setup. Let's see. What did it give us? Okay. Forget all this week. All this week are useless. Focus on the line chart. For those who know how market is moving, you can tell that this is not a higher high. This is your main high. So basically, this is something like your higher high, higher low. Let me use this thing for you. Basically, something like this. This is your higher high here. Yes, this is your higher low. This is your higher high. Then it broke. Let me see. Yeah. So this is a type 1 setup right here. This is a type 1 setup. Now remember, like nobody are happy man, they control this market, say you get. So losses will happen, but this is a type 1 setup. Now initially, my entry should be somewhere around here, but it did not tap. What do? You don't start watching it to start looking for confirmation. Go out to your 1 hour. Look again. Let's see if you see anything in the 1 hour time frame. Let me see. Yeah, go to your 1 hour. Check again if you see anything on your 1 hour time frame. Okay. Now, what we're looking at. Okay. Now, me, I don't know how you guys take your entry point. Now, I want to show you guys this one because it's kind of for my guys and ready for them, for my students. But though, yeah, my students caught a trade around here. They know how I taught them to catch a trade. So don't worry about that one. But let's focus on what I'm showing you guys here. So remember, the 4 hours did not tap. We wanted it to tap. This support become resistance. It did not tap it. Like this V level button, it did not tap it. So go down to the 1 hour time frame to look for look for an entry since that one missed us. So now normally this is your entry here. This is what I will our entry. Liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep. Break. This right here is your entry. This is what I'll take as my entry. Me. But though I already got an entry somewhere around here, so I did not look at it. I just held it all the way down to the last tip, to the final tip of it. That is the extended liquidity. But naturally, you can take the kind of entry from here. SL here. Now, where your take profit be? If you can hold it too, but if you can probably hold on position till take profit, then you can keep adding. Take profit will be at that external liquidity. That is the CRT low. CRT low, yeah. So now you can go down to 30 minutes and start looking for more entries. So you can keep stacking them up. Do you get? You can keep looking for more entries there. Hold on guys, please. I'll be back in like a few minutes. Hold on guys, please. Just give me like a few minutes. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm sorry for that, I'm back. Okay, so what was I saying? So since you know this CRT already, you already know your target. Some people call this CRT low dawn on liquidity. You know when market is going to. You get, you know when market is going to. Your this place now is your dawn on liquidity. This CRT low, your dawn on liquidity, because you know the market is going to already. People call it dawn on liquidity or whatever, but all those fancy names, I'm not interested. I'm just to make money and move on. Now, I can't say this, but my students got, I think about, some of them got like 3 different trades between this, you know, from here down to this spot. Some of them got up to 3 different trades. Why one cut at least 4? I think it was 4. It cut here 4 trades from here down to the dawn liquidity. 4 different trades on this thing, 30 minutes time frame. I will show you guys how those entries was, because those are for the paid mentorship people and all that. So it will not be fair that when you pay for mentorship, then I end up spreading the stuff for free. It will not be fair to them. So handle me, guys. Basically, this video now is about to show you guys how CRT works. I remember earlier in the video I said something about weekly, like I was typing something on my screen about steps to take. Like I said, step number 1 was your weekly direction. Now that's basically knowing your weekly reject weekly. Then daily what breakout. I'll not show you guys that one. That's like your assignment. Go and back test, check it. Weekly reject weekly. Then daily breakout. That confirms the direction of that week. Let's say if it's a bearish weekly reject weekly, then you'll be looking for a bearish daily breakout. Sorry, a daily bearish breakout. How much you'll be looking for? If it's a bearish weekly reject weekly, you're looking for a bearish breakout on a daily time frame. Is that type 1 breakout or type 2 breakout? That type 1 breakout, sorry about that, or type 2 breakout. That's what you should be looking for here now. What you should be looking for this part. So I think that's basically it about CRT. There's nothing much there. It's not like it's one hard something. You just for it to know. So basically, if you don't see that breakout on the floor, let's say if you have a daily CRT and you don't see a flower breakout. Now, if you see a weekly CRT and you see, or in fact, you know what the best thing is. If you see a monthly CRT, then a weekly breakout. Let's say it's a monthly bearish CRT. Then a bearish breakout on the weekly. Just know that throughout that month, just be looking for sales, because you have some buys, but the sales will hold more than the buy. Just be looking for sales throughout. That's what me I do normally. Every new month I do check. If there's a shadow in that month, oh my god, that month will be like I will suck that pair dry that month. China when gives me the weekly breakout structure, oh my god, I will suck that pair dry that month. So all these little details matters. Remember, 4-hour breakout is very important. You can see a daily reject daily. You can see a daily CRT rather, but not 4-hour breakout. Sometimes it will work out though, but me I want it. But if you see like 10 CRT on daily time frame, and those 10, none of them give you a 4-hour breakout, and you still go on to trade them. Out of those 10 trades, you can win. In fact, you win only 2 or 1, because that 4 hours breakout confirms the direction. 4-hour breakout is very important. Even techniques that trades normal SMC, because it usually emphasizes on 4-hour breakout structure. 4-hour breakout structure is of utmost important for day traders like us. By the swings, they use weekly breakout structure. For us, we are day traders. We use 4-hour. Half-hour breakout structure is of utmost importance. It's of utmost importance because it's just so important. So, as you can tell, I'm full of energy tonight, but yeah, that's that. So, guys, I think that's all for the video. If you have any question for me, you can ask me. Come to my DM, ask me, and like it's free of charge. I don't charge person for that one. Come and ask me things. But don't ask me anything more than don't ask me. Just ask me things you don't understand. Then hopefully I will answer you. Feel like charging you is of no use. I'm just answering like that. So just come to my DM and ask me. The Bible says, "I don't happen to you." So here you get. So I will sharpen you. Come, it's free of charge. But don't ask me my anything and everything, because that one, some guys are like about 20 guys already paid for it. And they paid good amount of money for it. So immediately for free does not make it fair to the other guys. I also understand. So alright fellas, that's it for the CRT X MSNR video. Now is 2:23. Wow. Okay, so yeah, that's all I have for you guys. If there's anything else there, you guys, I'll make another video for you guys, because I'm kind of be able to teach more. Yeah. Alright, so I'm out.